The reason why Nkechi is saying, I will beat you up, pick a junction. I've never started with Nkechi's mother. I'm coming fully for Nkechi's mother so that Nkechi will know how it feels going for innocent mothers just because Iyabojo wants to collect money under this number. That's why I don't go for people. You can testify to that. I will never come for you. Why would Nkechi or all these people that are close to Iyabo, why do they team up with Iyabojo to gang pie innocent people just for ransom? Is it not questionable? Imagine Ashabi simple. Imagine Ashabi simple. Níbi tí wọ́n ti ń fohùn ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sí. Tó ti yé ò lè ràn lọ́wọ́. Ó ń bú ìyá oníyà. Ó ń bú àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ. What Ashabi simple said to me, how would you feel if they say it to your mother? Or you think my children cannot become a speaker? You think my children cannot face you guys squarely? They can. But no, I would rather do it. They gang by a lot of people. I'm in the industry. We lost a lot of innocent kids. And kilo pa wọ́n, wọ́n kò lọ pin ẹ̀mí ọ̀kan lọ́rùn pin. Adé lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Kilo pa wọ́n. And when Iyabojo started with me, I now realize how she operates. If you want to fight me, let it be between you and I. Have you ever seen me gathering people, recruiting people to come and help me bully any industry people? Have you ever seen it from me? Why is it only Iyabojo doing that? If they move from me, who is the next target? So Nkechi Blessing will put mouth. Ashabi Simple will put mouth. All this Awabirun, Oshodi Oke, Oshodi Aran, look at numbers of them. They are not even making use of the fame the society gave to them as an actress. They are using their fame to buy innocent people. And not just ordinary people. Prosperous ones. For how long will we fold our arms in the society? Are you telling me your children cannot become an artist? Abi, is that what they want to go and face in the society? No, now somebody needs to stand up. We all can fold our arms. Bá ṣe show fún ẹ tó bá rò pé mo bully ẹ, gbé document ẹ lọ sọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́pàá ti court. Jẹ́ kí mi àti ẹjọ́ pàdé ńbẹ̀.
Tèmi ẹ ṣàtìrí gbogbo nǹkan tí Lizzy Anjorin tó ti sọ nípa Nkechi Blessing o. Kí ni ẹ lérò? Nǹkan tí ẹ bá lérò ẹ tẹ̀ sí comment section ká lè sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀, ká lè fọ̀rọ̀ jomitoro ọ̀rọ̀ lórí rẹ̀. Ó ti.
Ṣé lọ́kàn?